And then the second wave hit. It made us feel like the pipe dream. Businesses began hunkering down again. We had tons of layoffs. Whole companies like the automakers and the aerospace place, they just shut down. No more cars. If you weren't in the work from home stocks, well, your portfolio went nowhere. Otherwise, you were zooming. By November, though, the whole character of the market changed again when we started hearing about a vaccine that worked. The Pfizer vaccine. It's a charm. Week later, we got equally great numbers from some outfit that I had interviewed twice called Moderna that no one even cared. I had them on. It was like, well, I guess that was some segment that nobody looked at. But the virus was still raging. Third wave hitting us over the winter. Lots of people traveled for Thanksgiving, Christmas. Curiously, though, that new wave wasn't devastating to the stock market. The confusion and chaos, not to mention the stop-start nature of vaccine distribution, at times made us feel like the recovery was in jeopardy, especially with the stimulus money running out. There it goes. Put the W back on the table right around election time. Not a lot of new orders coming in except for housing because the urban X's. Keep those. Will you please keep those automobile plants closed? Will you? I mean, I don't want to make any autos. Then an amazing thing happened. Once Biden was sworn in, the vaccination program started going a lot more smoothly, and it didn't turn into a culture war thing like masks had. We quickly realized a simple truth. Science was not only winning, science, so ridiculed a year ago, had won. Just one problem. A big W for science meant the economy would have a big V, meaning the least likely scenario was coming true. Most businesses just weren't prepared for it. The automakers in particular didn't have enough chips. They had slashed orders during the dark days of 2020. Home builders had to put up so many houses that they bid up all the commodities and appliances going to home. A freak winter storm out of nowhere took all of our plastic capacity. Bizarre bottlenecks in California ports jacked up the cost of importing goods. Why don't they just go to Baltimore or something? Oil bottomed and surged higher because of a new president who's a lot less enthusiastic about fossil fuels. Travel came back to life. Turns out that airplanes aren't dangerous.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.